Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Happy Independence Day. And today it's special day. Why? Because this day we started our YouTube channel 5 years back, and this is the day which we uploaded the first Abacus video. And 2 years back, 15th August 2020, we started online interactive classes. It's been 2 years for online classes and 5 years for videos on YouTube. And today we completed 5 years of YouTube. So let's see what all did we do on our YouTube channel. So in August, we started making videos in 2017. We made a lot of small videos like addition, subtraction, all multiplication, all those videos we have made. And later, we also uploaded some drawing videos on the channel. In 2020, in April, so we started a new playlist, Abacus 2.0, where we started teaching the concepts again one more time. And after that, in August 2020, we started online classes and still we are continuing. If you are interested, you can join the class by contacting with us on the WhatsApp. And after this, we started conducting online competitions with our students and other students. So in 2021 April, we had 1 month free summer offer and we taught over 100 plus students for free for that 1 month. And even this year, we had 1 month free offer. After that, we had our own website launch, practiceabacusonline.com. If you don't know about that, there is a detailed video about that. So you can practice anything on the website. All the practice materials are there on the website. So in December 2021, we launched the website video. So and after that, we posted a lot of demo videos. We have our own students. We recorded a lot of videos, demo videos of our students, and we uploaded. Next, we had book launch in April 2022, and recently we started launching our own books, practice books. You can buy it from Amazon. So if you want to practice anything related to Abacus, you can use our website, or else you can buy the books from the Amazon. So what next is we'll be uploading many more videos about Abacus. A lot of you have questions about which abacus to buy, where to buy, what is the difference between different abacus, and what are the basics of abacus, how to start learning. There are many questions which needs to be answered. We'll be making all of those videos on our channel. So keep subscribed, and if you are new to this channel, you can have a look at our channel and please subscribe for more videos. And thank you everyone.